Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you are feeling calm today. Maybe you are sitting with a cup of tea, or walking slowly somewhere, or just resting after a long day.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. I'm imagining someone listening while traveling on a bus, looking outside the window, maybe thinking about life a little.
That sounds peaceful. Actually, today I feel a bit slow, in a good way. You know those days when you don't want to rush?
I know exactly what you mean. Sometimes slowing down helps us notice small things, like how people talk or how we introduce ourselves.
Ah, perfect transition, Jake.
Yes, today we're talking about something very simple, but also very important.
How to introduce yourself in English.
Many people think self-introduction is just memorizing lines.
Yes, like, hello, my name is, and then done.
But real introductions feel more human, more natural. They change depending on the situation.
Exactly. And today we are not going to teach like a classroom. We will just talk, share stories, and slowly help you feel comfortable speaking.
So maybe you can imagine you are sitting with us, listening, and quietly practicing in your mind.
Okay, Aman. Let's imagine you and I are meeting for the first time at a small cafe.
All right, I'm slightly nervous.
That's normal. I say, hi, I'm Janvi. Nice to meet you.
Simple, clear, friendly.
Yes, beginners often think they need long sentences, but actually, short sentences feel more natural.
So I might reply, Hi Janvi, I'm Aman. Nice to meet you too.
See? Easy. And already the conversation begins.
Listeners, notice something. We didn't rush. We paused. We smiled.
Language is not only words, it is feeling.
Can I share a small story?
Please do.
When I traveled to another country years ago, I felt shy speaking English. Someone asked me to introduce myself in a group. My mind went blank.
Oh no.
Yes, I started with a very long sentence and got lost in the middle.
I think many listeners understand that feeling.
Later, I realized something important. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need clarity.
That's beautiful. Clarity means being easy to understand.
Yes, that word, clarity, means simple and clear communication.
Let's build a simple introduction step by step, but through conversation.
Okay, so after saying your name, what comes next naturally?
Maybe where you are from.
Right, like, I'm from UK. Short, natural.
Or, I live in a small city. Simple is powerful.
Then, maybe what you do.
Yes, but not like a job interview, just gently.
For example, I work as a software developer. Or, I'm learning English these days.
I like that one. It feels honest.
Let's imagine an online meeting. Many people feel nervous there.
Yes, cameras on, people watching.
How would you introduce yourself?
Maybe like this. Hi everyone, I'm Janvi. I live in UK and I work in design. I enjoy learning languages, so I'm happy to be here today.
Notice how she added something personal. I enjoy learning languages.
That small detail makes you human, not robotic.
Listeners, think for a moment. What small detail about you feels real?
Sometimes people copy complicated introductions from the internet,
Yes, big words, long sentences.
but the best introduction sounds like you.
Exactly. Your personality matters more than perfect English.
Even saying, I'm a bit shy, but I'm happy to meet you. That is honest and beautiful.
Okay, Janvi, imagine we meet at a friend's birthday party.
All right.
Someone asks, So, tell me about yourself.
Instead of freezing, you can think of it like storytelling.
Yes, maybe. Well, I'm Janvi. I recently moved here. I love quiet places and coffee.
That feels natural because it sounds like a conversation, not a speech.
Listeners, notice the rhythm, short sentences, gentle pauses.
I remember my first job. I was asked to introduce myself to the team.
Were you nervous?
Very. My hands were cold, my voice was soft, but I said, "Hi, I'm Janvi. I'm new here. I'm excited to learn from everyone."
That's simple, but powerful.
And people smiled because it felt real.
Let's ask the listener a few questions.
Okay,
If someone asked you right now, "Who are you?" what would you say first?
would you talk about your job, your hobbies, or your dreams?
There is no single correct answer.
Just choose something true.
Before we finish, let's explain a few useful words we used today.
Yes, softly and simply.
Clarity, speaking in a clear and understandable way.
Natural, something that feels easy, relaxed, and real.
Introduce yourself. Tell basic information about who you are.
Honest, being real, not pretending.
And one more word, authentic. It means being truly yourself, not copying others.
Authentic introductions always feel warm.
So today, we didn't learn a script.
We learned a feeling.
Introducing yourself is not a test. It's the start of connection.
Maybe next time you meet someone, just breathe, smile, and speak slowly.
Your words don't need to be perfect.
They only need to be yours.
Thank you for spending this quiet time with us.
Take care, and we'll talk again soon.